Facebook disabled account recovery. So if you want to recover your Facebook disabled account, then first open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with my Google, and then go with the search. Under search, you need to search for confirm your identity, and then you can choose the first one, which is confirm your identity on your Facebook, and it will take you to this kind of page, right? So here you need to simply confirm your identity. So you need to choose the type of ID that Facebook will accept, and you need to upload the ID to your Facebook. Here tap on choose files, and then choose files from your gallery. So for example, I'll be choosing something. For example, tap on add, and here you will have the document, right? So now you just need to simply tap on send, which is here on the middle of your screen. And once you've confirmed your identity, now you can go back, and then you need to go with the search again, and you need to search for Facebook feedback. Once you search here, you will have an option of give us feedback about Facebook feature. So you just need to simply tap on the first option, and it will take you to this kind of page where you need to enter your email address and then your product or feature. Under your product or feature, you need to simply scroll down and choose the login option, and under feedback you need to enter your problem. So you need to write that I'm not being able to log into my account, or my Facebook account has been disabled, so I want to recover my account. And you need to enter your email ID and the ID name or the Facebook name. And once you've sent, you just need to simply tap on the send button, and your feedback will be sent, right? And once your feedback sent, now Facebook will help you to recover your disabled account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.